Here is an example of how you can stitch back a piece of a jump house window that has come apart by the stitching. You will require 2 people to do this, 1 person on the outside of the window and 1 person on the inside. You will also need a curved needle and a piece of thread, and you will, after threading the thread through the needle, tie a knot on one side so that the thread won't pull all the way through once you start the stitch. You will take the curved needle and puncture one of the holes that was there previously from the first time the window was sewn to the wall. And then once the needle punctures through to the other side, the person on the other side of the window will pull it through and then repeat that process to get the needle back to you. And then you will go in and out of the stitch until you reach the other end. You can see once you do this that you've only done half the stitching, so once you do that you can just turn around and go back the other way and repeat the process again. And then once you're finished, you can tie a knot on the end to make sure it's secure, and then you have successfully sewn back your torn piece of window.